Masyadong pino. Okay, last guys, apply your piping decors. Okay, next. So, pipe tayo. So, rosette. So, random rosette piping sa center ng cake. Okay, and then si ube fudge din guys, pipeable. So this is a petal tip guys. Ito. Yung makapal nasa ilalim, tapos yung manipis na tapos. Next. Last decor, pampaarte. Kumbaga yung cake nasa 1,000, gagawin yung 1,500. Yeah, arte lang. Okay, so chocolate balls guys, gawa sa white chocolate. Made from Bakersfield white chocolate compound. And then macarons, guys. One five. And then merang. And then sugar beets, guys. You can put strawberries if you have budget. Pwede, How much is whole cakes? Di ba nasa 1.5 yung dito sa area? 1.5 to 1.8, correct? Kasi yung mga big Korean cafe, yung cakes nila nasa 200 lang yung slice dito eh. Okay? So, thank you very much guys! Salamat! Sana marami